Christmas Eve.
Yes, hope is the theme of the season, really, isn't it? As we get going today, you can hope for a white Christmas, but it will depend on where you are, what we can deliver, because areas north and west of the city have the conditions that are primed to get and enter more of snow and certify that white Christmas, but areas south and east sort of lacking in the moisture and also the cold that we're going to need in order to get a flake or two to fly. So outside right now, it's a beautiful day. If you have to do some extra shopping, you've got a mix of sun and clouds out there. It's been spectacular to look at the skies as we've started out this Christmas Eve day. 38 degrees in Central Park, a north-northeast wind at 10 miles an hour. Keeping in mind when we get a northeast flow and even an easterly component to the wind at the shoreline this time of year, we're getting some mild air working its way in, and so that's going to keep our temperatures in the low 40s. We're looking for a sunny daytime here for Christmas Eve. The clouds will increase late. We'll see them come and go throughout the day, but really becoming overcast late in the afternoon. A white Christmas in the suburbs and areas north and west where we get 1 to 3 inches. There could be more for the northern counties, lesser amounts to none for areas south and east. Bitter cold will follow this with some big winds expected tomorrow afternoon. So right now, stepping outside, you've got upper 30s in all the boroughs. The coldest spots are Monticello, Poughkeepsie. We've also got, well, a nice warm-up happening for Trenton now at 36, so temperatures already starting to climb. The winter weather advisory for tonight through 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That involves snow accumulating, also wet, slick roads, so if you're doing some travel overnight or early tomorrow morning, be aware. Santa, of course, will be airborne, so won't have to worry about the roads, but he will have to contend with winds on the way back to the North Pole because some big gusts are coming in tomorrow during the morning hours and through the early afternoon. We could see gusts 40 to even 50 miles an hour in some cases, so be ready for that. Looking at the satellite and radar picture, of course, we've got the clouds moving over. They'll thicken up throughout the day, and we get enough sunshine to get our temperatures into the low 40s, but the winds will be what we really want to focus on once we get this rain-snow mix out of the city, and then also the snow accumulations north and west. We will be dealing with the wind. Starting late tonight, you should hear it howl. Another reason to get in bed early because Santa's route may change because of this future-cast wind gust, going up 25, even up to 35 miles an hour through the mid-morning tomorrow. Early afternoon, we could get gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Then the winds will gently subside late Monday night into Tuesday. We'll still have a bit of a chill as cold temperatures settle in. Again, the future model's not printing out a whole lot of snow, but giving us some accumulations for parts of the area. The timing on this begins late tonight with rain, a rain-snow mix across the area, snow taking over, and then a quick departure of the system, not leaving a whole lot behind. There'll be some isolated cases where we get the 3 to 6 inches north, and that could be the highest elevations, getting the highest amounts. 1 to 3 inches for northwest New Jersey through the low Hudson Valley and along the coastal line, and then coating to an inch for New York and parts of western Long Island. The numbers break down like this. Clouds increase tonight, and we see the moisture developing, these showers coming around, 38 degrees, and that really is the warmest that it will be for the next 7 days, is that 38 degrees. Very strong winds tomorrow during the day after the snow is over, and then look at that, a whole week of sub-freezing temperatures from tomorrow on. All the way through Friday and Saturday. Saturday, our next chance at snow. So safe travels tomorrow during the day.
Yes,
could be slick in spots, and then we've also got the wind. Just heads up, if you're looking for the best time to travel, it is going to be late afternoon, evening tomorrow.
Good advice, and bundle up in a few days.
It's true. All right, Amy, thank you so much. It was all about hockey yesterday. The Devils, the Rangers, Islanders all taking the ice. Anthony Johnson next with sports.
And as Christmas approaches, we want to remind you of a little holiday tradition we do here at Eyewitness News. We share your wishes and your season's greetings during our Christmas morning newscast. I did this last year. It was a lot of fun. You can email our two morning anchors tomorrow, Charlene Alicant and Lauren Glassberg. She's filling in tomorrow. For Ken, you can post your message on the ABC7 Facebook page. And if you do want to email Charlene or Lauren, their emails are right there. On the screen, we'll share as many of your stories and wishes throughout the show, starting at 4:30 tomorrow morning. Merry Christmas, everybody.